Down for another DIY, guys. In this video, I will show you how to make Asuma Kunai using popsicle sticks. I will provide the template of this DIY on the description of the video. We will start by sanding the side of the sticks to make it straight and even. Make sure to do it on both sides. This homemade tutorial is so easy, so if you're new to this, no worries. Then cut the sticks as shown in this video. This will use to form the base for the template. You will know in a bit. Use superglue to combine them. It will just take a few seconds to do this. Then draw the Asuma Kunai template. If you can't do it using freehand, just download the Chakra Blade template on the description. Now cut it using retractable utility knife. Just be careful when using this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more future awesome tutorial. Sand the inside hole edges. I use Elmer's glue to file them together. Scatter it around the surface. You can also use any other art or paper glue. As you can see, this part is barely simple, and even a baby can help you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more future awesome tutorial. Make sure to put some weights on top of it while waiting it to dry. A few moments later. Now let's start sanding the top of the blade first and move to the other parts bit by bit. Still confused on what's going on? Just comment down your question and I will answer it as soon as I can. Let's trim some sharp edges. Smoothen the surface and edge using P360 sandpaper. We will now make this chakra blade a little fancy by applying flat black paint. And on the other side too. Did you enjoy watching my Chakra Blade DIY? If yes, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and help me reach 1 million subscribers. Thank you for watching.